Hello guys, welcome to another video of May the Codes Be With You. Today we are doing the longest common prefix problem and it is an easy problem. It says write a function to find the longest common prefix string amongst an array of string. If there is no common prefix, return an empty string. So let's see the example. It says flower, flow, flight. We have to find the longest common prefix in that, which is FL. Prefix is the starting word. So FL here is the starting word. So let's see the example 2, dog, race car and car. So D, R and C, nothing is matching, so output will be null string or empty string. So there is no common prefix. So let's see our approach. So here's the same example, flower, flow, flight. Here you can see the matching words are FL in the all three elements of the array. So our output will be FL according to it. Now let's see this example, dog, race car and car. Nothing is matching, D, R, C does not match, so we'll return null. Now let's see another example. You should try this yourself first. Now I'll try it. So A, B, A, C, A common, A common, A common, and next A is also common. Now we can see that this B and this B is common and this B is also common. Now let's see this one. This A is common. Okay, it is common here also. But as you can see, the last element has D, so our longest common substring will be AAB. So this is A, B. Okay, now let's see our steps. So here are our steps. So first we will return the boundary cases like string dot length equal to 0. We'll return the empty string. If string dot length equal to 1, we'll return string 0, which is the only element. We'll return that, and then we'll take a variable index equal to 0, set this as 0. Then we'll run a while loop till string 0 dot length. So here string 0 dot length will be flower, so it will be 6. So we'll run a loop from 0 to 6, a while loop. Okay, so next we'll take, in each iteration we'll take a character variable called prefix, and prefix equal to string 0 dot character at index. So our index is 0, so character at 0 is F. So our prefix will be F. Now we'll take a for loop, and this for loop will be there to check if F is present in all three elements or not. So it will be from 1 to strings dot length, as we have already taken the element from the first the word from the first element. So string dot length is 3 here. So in that for loop we'll check if index is greater than or equal to strings I dot length. So if we like come here at this E, and our index is like 4 here, and so we don't have anything for this W, so we'll just return the substring. And now let's see the second condition. It says string I dot character at index not equal to prefix. So if we had an E instead of F here, so we'll simply return the substring 0 to index. So let's do a run through. So we are here at this FL, our prefix is F, so we'll check from 1 to string 0 dot length, which is string dot length, which is 3. So we'll check from 1 to 3. If as this condition is not satisfied for this element, and this condition also not satisfied for this element, so we'll move on to the next iteration and we'll increase our index as 1, and our prefix now becomes L. So let me draw the capital L for you, so that you guys don't get confused. So the L's here match, so we'll increment the index. So our index now becomes 2 and our prefix becomes O. So our prefix now becomes O. This O matches, and but here we have an I. So our first condition is not triggered, but our second condition, that is the character at index is not equal to prefix, is triggered. So we'll return the substring from 0 to index, and our index here is 2. So we'll return a string 0 to 2, and 0 to 2 substring is FL, as we don't include the last element when we return substring in Java. So, but if all of the while loop is passed, we'll just return the substring 0 to index, which is the first string. So let's see our code. So first is we have tackled the base condition, that is string dot length equal to 0. Now the string dot length equal to 1, we have returned string 0. Now we have taken our index equal to 0. Now our while loop from index till string 0 dot length, and we have incremented the index here. Now we have taken our character variable prefix and set it equal to string 0 dot character at index. So now we have taken our for loop for int I equal to 1 to I less than strings dot length I plus plus, and in this we have our condition if index greater than equal to strings I dot length or strings I dot character at index not equal to prefix, then we'll return string 0 dot substring 0 to index. And after this for loop we have incremented our index, and we then, if none of these above return conditions are triggered, we'll simply return the first element or string 0 dot substring 0 to index. So let's run it. It is accepted. Now let's try to submit it. It is running. Okay, it is accepted with 1 millisecond runtime, so which is pretty good. So this was the code. Thank you guys, and may the codes be with you.